Hi, this is Carl Anderson from MarineMax Charleston on Daniel Island, and today I'm going to walk you through a 2019 Scout 195 Sportfish. This model is equipped with the optional Aristo blue hull color, a 115 4-stroke engine from Yamaha. We've got a port side swim platform with a telescoping ladder, trim tabs, nice open area in the aft end of the boat, got rear deck jump seats with backrests. Here's a view of your dash, digital gauges from Yamaha, an optional Fusion Bluetooth stereo, cup holders, lockable console storage, plenty of space to flush mount your electronics. You can fit up to a 9-inch touchscreen GPS. Got the half windshield, custom built T-top from Scout, aluminum T-top that comes with an aft spreader light and 4 rocket launchers. With the canvas top, you do get the canvas storage bag. Got an adjustable footrest at the helm area. The backrest removes at the helm seat, which gives you 2 more rod holders. And you do have a live well beneath the helm seat. It's both lighted and aerated. Inside the console, you have a lot of storage space with a recessed floor that's drained to where you can actually equip this boat with a porta potty if you choose, or just have ample amounts of storage. We do have courtesy lights on each side of the console. 4 speakers total, 2 in the bow, 2 in the cockpit. Cup holders that are plumbed and drained. Grab handles for support. Got a back bolster for the bow cushion, and beneath the cushion you have really nice bow storage, in addition to access to your anchor line. This is all a non-skidded area beneath the bow cushion if you use the boat for any casting. Anchor storage forward, recessed cleats, all non-skid. Got a portable cooler seat with a built-in backrest and batteries housed beneath. That is our 2019 Scout 195 Sportfish. Feel free to give us a call at 843-747-1889 or visit us online at MarineMax.com. Again, this is Carl Anderson for MarineMax Charleston on Daniel Island. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.